Hi guys, welcome back in new session. Today we will focus on the difference between monkey testing and gorilla testing. So monkey testing is a type of software testing which is performed based on some random inputs without any test cases and check the behavior of the system and confirm whether it crashes or not. Gorilla testing is type of software testing which is performed on the module based on some random input repeatedly and check the module functionality and confirm no bug in the module. Monkey testing is a type of random testing and no test case used in this testing. Gorilla testing is type of manual testing and it is repetitively performed. This testing, monkey testing is performed on entire system while gorilla testing is performed on few selected modules of the system. The main objective of monkey testing is check whether the system is crash or not. The main goal of gorilla testing is check whether the module is working properly or not. In monkey testing, a user or a tester or a developer can test the system to confirm whether it is performed desired set of action. What in gorilla testing, mostly in gorilla testing, the tester and developer both can jointly or independently test the module functionality repeatedly. Three type of monkey testing: dumb monkey testing, JMART monkey testing, and brilliant monkey testing. While there is no such different type of gorilla testing, monkey testing is performed. Mainly the monkey testing strategy is used in system testing, and mainly gorilla testing is used in unit testing. Monkey testing is also known as random testing, fudge testing, or and gorilla testing is also known as torture testing. Gorilla testing is also known as torture testing, fault to leap testing, fault tolerance testing, torture testing, fault torture testing, and frustrating testing.